Hello, I'm Gino. This is my wife Dazzle. Welcome to Dazzle TV. Today we're gonna make a video. We had received gifts from California viewer of ours that came here in Aklan province. We picked them up at the airport yesterday at about 4:20 p.m. yesterday, and we took them to Boracay. They now live in Boracay. They have an apartment, gorgeous apartment. They're on a second floor with the ocean view, and their apartment is like 5 minutes walk to Angol Beach. Really nice beach to walk on. So they're really happy about their apartment.
Yeah, it was fun hanging out with them.
Yeah, it was fun. Dazzle and I, we were really excited to pick them up at the airport. We were there early.
Yeah.
You know, Dazzle got some snack like at the airport.
Banana Q.
And turon. And she got banana Q and turon while we were waiting for the couple from California. They wanted to remain anonymous, you know, so
Yeah.
we will respect that. So now, Dazzle and I, we're gonna open their pasalubong. Yeah, they brought us a lot of pasalubong. So we're gonna open them. I mean, they brought us so much. I mean, we were like really surprised and really thankful. I mean, you know, they are so nice. The couple are so nice from California. We went to dinner.
Yeah, and they're part of our family now.
Oh yeah, they're part of our family now. They were kind of part of our family
Yes,
before they even got here,
yeah.
because we've been communicating with them when they were in California, and they weren't even planning on going to Aklan province, but they started watching our videos and they really liked what they saw. So we started communicating with them, and then the more I introduced Aklan to them and Boracay, the more they wanted to come. So they decided to come. Yeah. And they're really happy. They're really happy. And like Dazzle said, they're family now to us. They're really, I mean, we just bonded so quick. You know, it was just like instant that we know they're part of our family now. So now we're just gonna open their presents.
Yeah,
all right.
pasalubong.
The pasalubong. There's like 2 bags. They brought like 2 bags. So the first bag, I'll let Dazzle open it.
Yeah.
You want me to pull it up, babe? Yeah, I'll get it. I can grab it. There we go. And the first item, it's says C's candies. And Dazzle, she's had this before once, right?
Yeah.
From Las Vegas. When my cousin from Las Vegas visited us, she had some C's candy. This one is a box of soft centers, and that's what she likes. Dazzle didn't want peanuts, didn't want she wants soft centers, and she told our friend about that. So that's why she got the soft centered ones.
Yes.
So that's all Dazzle's, I'm sure. I might get to eat one. Maybe. And then I told her, she asked me what I liked, what I missed from the United States, and I told her that I missed these jalapeno cheddar, this Fritos jalapeno dip. This is like one of my favorite dip when I was in the US, and I left the US like 11 years ago, and I've never had it since. So she knew that. I told her that. So it looks like she got me like a bunch of them. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna be eating jalapeno cheese for a long time. So she got me 10 of these jalapeno. Oh, this is awesome. You know, I'm gonna ration this, make it last a long time, because I don't get these here in Aklan province. You know, I've never seen them here. So it's the Fritos jalapeno cheddar. So I got 10. I got 10 dips. And, oh, this one.
This one, I'm so excited
Seriously?
about this.
Go ahead. Good. What is that? Looks like.
It's cute.
Oh, it's a bag.
Yeah, it's
a
cute.
bag. It's cute. It's a like fish. It looks like fish, and there's something inside, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a towel
I think
inside.
when we go to Boracay.
Yeah, when we
use
go to
this.
your Boracay, it's like a towel.
Yeah.
Or
Yep, right there.
there you go.
I'm
It's a
so
towel.
excited about this. This is cute.
I don't know if it's a towel or a robe.
It's
a towel. Oh, I see. I see. That's cool. I've never seen it like that, babe.
It's convertible.
It's a convertible. It's like a beach towel,
Yes.
but it's got a pouch. So you can put the towel in the pouch and then you wear it or you carry it.
You carry it.
Yeah. Okay. I've never seen it like that before.
Yeah, it's
That's a
cute.
new design.
It's cute.
Yeah, I know. That's awesome. And then
I like this. It's like a baby shark.
like a baby shark.
Yeah.
And then she knew, I had mentioned to her that you use sunscreen. So she got you, like these are like large bottles of Equate SPF 70 sunscreen. So you got like two. You got like two of those things. Because Dazzle always uses it on her face. Because her face, for some reason, is quick to burn.
Yep.
Yeah, very quick to burn. So she's always putting sunscreen. So this really useful. Yeah, you're gonna. I know you're, and it's water resistant
Yes.
for 80 minutes. So you can actually wear this and swim, and you're good for at least an hour. You know,
Nice.
at least an hour.
Let's go swimming now.
You're gonna go swimming now? Yeah, I know, right? And then I had told her that I get bit a lot here by bugs. I don't know if it's mosquitoes, different kind of bugs. They just attracted to me. I get bit a lot. So I had told her hydrocortisone cream. They're expensive here in the Philippines. I can buy like a little, like not even a third of this bottle, the tube here, maybe like a third of this, and it will cost me like over 200 pesos, sometimes 250. Like $4 or $5 for a little smaller than that, and it'll cost you $5. So she got me like 3 tubes of hydrocortisone cream, the Equate. Yay! So I'll get a lot of use of this because I always get bit. I don't know what it is. I've even put like the mosquito repellent, and then I wake up, I still got bites, you know. So all right. So that's the first bag, and then we have another bag. It's another bag here.
Can't wait for Mrs. Candy.
I know, right? I know.
Open it.
He wants to open it. Oh, cool. This one, and the same thing I had mentioned to her, like here in Aklan province, I've never seen bagels here. The whole time I've been here, I have never seen bagels. And also even in Boracay, I haven't eaten at a restaurant in Boracay that had bagels. So she got me cinnamon raisin bagels. So these are delicious. I like it. So I'll get you to try that. Yeah. We'll see if we can get like cream cheese when we go to Calibo because it goes good with cream cheese. Yeah, with cream cheese. It's like you toast it, you toast the bagel, then put cream cheese. Delicious. Oh, all right. Oh, cool.
Oh wow. That's nice.
That's nice. It's a Dodger shirt. And I even got Dazzle to become a Dodger fan. She knows all the Dodger players. Name them, babe. Come on, name some of
My
them.
favorite is Chris Taylor.
Chris Taylor is her favorite
Yours,
because
I think is Bellinger.
who else? Name them all.
I want Chris Taylor,
Yeah.
Turner, Mookie Betts.
Mookie Betts.
And I like Kershaw.
Kershaw, you like Kershaw, of course. Bueller. So she knows. I've taught her well. You know, she's a Dodger fan.
Yeah.
She's a Dodger fan. So awesome shirt. You know, great shirt.
What's the picture that we like? Wait,
The picture, which one?
the winning picture. Urias.
Urias, yeah, Urias. You like Urias too, yeah. Oh, more Dodger shirts. What? We're gonna be wearing Dodger shirts, man.
Dodgers.
That's awesome. Let's go. All right.
Oh
This
my
will
God.
fit you, babe. Yeah,
This thing's for me.
I know. That's your Dodger shirt right there. That's awesome.
Awesome, man.
Now we can have a couple Dodger shirt.
Yeah.
we'll match. We'll wear it. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. This is awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is awesome.
We're gonna be like, we have a couple shirt.
Couple shirt. There you go. We'll have couple shirt and Dodgers too.
Dodgers.
And we're gonna take the World Series this year. No doubt about it. Oh, cool, babe. Look at that. Your sunglasses.
Wow.
Disney sunglasses.
Oh,
Oh, it's cute.
This is cute. Want to open this already?
All right. Oh, this is like for the beach, babe.
Like-
You know, like
Sup, babe?
when we. Oh, look at you.
Stop it.
Look at you, girl. Oh man.
What's up,
Oh,
babe?
look at this, babe. When we go paddle boarding, so we don't burn. And our friend really thought about everything.
Yeah.
They're awesome, man. They're awesome.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's go beachy now.
Yeah, let's go to the beach. So, couple shirt again.
Couple shirt.
Long sleeve shirts. We'll wear that on the beach.
Sup, babe?
Oh, this is yours. This is yours, babe. You're gonna love this.
Oh,
You're gonna love this, babe. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow, it's so pretty, babe.
Yeah, take it out of the plastic so you can show them. Wow, that is nice, babe.
I didn't expect this.
I
This
know.
is a surprise.
I know. That's a
All
surprise.
this.
I know. I knew when I carried them, it was heavy. I noticed there was that she bought us a lot of stuff, but
I
this.
didn't take a look. I wanted to be a surprise.
Yeah, I know. I saw the bagels. But yeah, it's on top. You know, I saw the bagels, but I didn't want to miss the
I
surprise.
saw your cheddar cheese.
Oh yeah, you saw the dip, the jalapeno cheddar. Well, I think there's something inside, babe.
Let's go.
I bet you there's something inside because I can feel something inside. See, there's something inside. She bought you like makeup.
Yes.
She like a
I will know
blush,
I
brush.
will know how to study
Oh, YouTube.
makeup.
Yeah, YouTube. You can
Yeah,
study
I
YouTube.
can
You got
study.
like makeup.
Oh,
Because I felt it, like there's something inside your bag.
I like lipsticks though.
Oh yeah. You love lipstick.
Wow.
But, yeah, you can learn from YouTube. There's stuff on YouTube that'll teach you.
Yes.
Wow, look at that. You got all your makeup, babe.
Oh my god, this is cool.
Yeah. So now I knew there was this is your sun. Oh, there's two sunglasses.
Look.
There's two sunglasses. I thought there's just only one.
Oh, this says lip and cheeks. I can put it on my lips and on my cheek.
Nice. Good. See it too. Oh, look at that. We're like matching sunglasses. All right. All right. I can wear this when we paddleboard because like
Oh yeah. I'm gonna wear this babe because so I don't have to be like this.
yeah.
Yeah.
And with the sun, yeah.
Yeah,
So
the sun. I can open my eyes wide.
yeah. You
Like
can.
this.
You can.
Oh my god, I don't think I need reading glasses really. All I need is the sunglasses.
Yeah, the sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think so. You got good eyesight still. And then I had told you're winded. We'll pick that up. To like hang flags in our resto bar here. So she got us flags.
Wow.
Yeah, so we'll pick out one. See, of course we would have to have a US flag.
Yay!
Of course. We'll open it, see. And I think these are good sized flags. These aren't like tiny.
Thank you so much.
These aren't tiny flags. Oh yeah, this is a good size. It's a good size flag to hang.
Look at that.
Look at that. We'll hang that here.
Ooh.
Yeah, we'll hang this one. These are flags. She got us like 6 flags. Like one.
Wow.
She got the American flag. Then she's got the Philippine flag. So we're gonna hang them up here on the like rafters here
Yeah.
for the look, for the
Yeah.
vibe. So we have to have an American flag. Got an American flag. We got a let's see. I know we have a Philippine flag. Yep, Philippine flag is here. So that for sure we but we'll hang all these flags. And we have a Canadian flag. And I can see that's a Canadian flag. So this is gonna really look nice on our resto bar here. This be a nice touch when people will see that. There you go. Look at that. That's a nice flag. Philippine flag. Yeah. And it's windy over here. It's breezy this afternoon. Usually this time of the day it's not that cool in here in the balcony. It's only like 1 p.m. But today it's breezy. It's
We're
breezy.
crazy. We have a matching
Oh yeah, hey, you gotta wear it, man. I like it.
Yeah,
Then we have the Canadian flag here.
Nice.
Nice. We got all these flags, so we're gonna have to find a place to hang these. There you go. See, they're gonna appreciate these because here in Aklan province, we have Canadians here, you know, and we have Americans here, and I know there's a German flag. Yeah, there's a German flag. Yep. Because we tried to tell her the flags that we know there's a good population here in Aklan province. So when they come to our bar, you know, yeah, we're losing the plastic. Let me get it. Let me get it.
It's flying.
It's flying. Yeah, yeah. So we'll get it. I'll put this inside, the one that I opened. That way they don't touch the ground.
I like this, guys. Thank you so much. This.
So you're gonna see, you know, once we hang this up, once we finish up today, they're working on the benches for our resto bar, and then just the electrical. I think they started doing the electrical so they can start hanging lights, because we're gonna hang a lot of lights. So hopefully in about a week or so we're gonna film it that it's all complete. But yeah, and then we'll have the flags hanging for sure. That way you can, you know, the finished product. We're almost done. It's like right now it's just the minor details. And then Sunday,
minor fixing.
Minor fixing, yeah. And then Sunday, we're gonna have all our employees. We're gonna for food tasting. We're gonna do a food tasting this Sunday. We're gonna cook our food and make sure that our employees know what we're serving. They get to eat it, they get to taste it, drinks, everything. That way they know what, you know, our coffee, our iced mocha, our iced coffee, all our lemonade, all our drinks will make. It'll be like a little party for our employees on Sunday.
My favorite part of having a restaurant, food tasting.
Food tasting, yeah. You know, so we're gonna do that this Sunday, and we'll film it. We'll try to introduce our employees.
Yeah.
That way, you'll get to meet them. You know, it's like Dazzle's older brother's one, older sister,
and a
cousin. So the three so far, and then our cooks, you know, already met, you know, Jomar and Parikoy, and then they're really cool. I think you're gonna like, you know, both of them are really cool. You're gonna like them.
And then here's your cashier.
Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to replace her for being the cashier because she don't want to handle the money. So I'm the cashier now. So I'm cool, you know. It's like I told Dazzle, whatever she's comfortable about doing. So I'll do the cashier. Again, our opening night is September 17th. And we're gonna get like extra tables and extra chairs to put downstairs because we're expecting a big crowd because Dustin invited a lot of people.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna be ready. We're gonna be ready. And again, our
You know who you are.
oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The couple from California, you know we love you already, and we're gonna do a lot of cool, fun things
I
here.
really love all this. Like
I know
your
your Dodger. I know you love that shirt. I know you're gonna wear that shirt right away.
My chocolate.
Yeah.
All this.
Yeah.
The unexpected.
I know. You know, it's like we got a lot
best.
more that we didn't expect. A lot of, you know, all this. Very grateful and thankful. But we're gonna make sure the couple here from California, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna take you. We're gonna explore Aklan together, Boracay. We're just gonna have fun while you're here. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Gino.
And I'm Dazzle.
We just started our channel, so if you enjoyed watching the video,
Please grow with us and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up.
and we are going to keep making videos of our life in Aklan province,
Philippines.